Ostriches are the largest birds in the world. But did you know they can't fly? Instead, they're built for speed and can run up to 60 miles per hour. They have the biggest eyes of any land animal, about the size of a billiard ball, even bigger than their brains. An ostrich's kick is powerful enough to take down a lion, making them one of the toughest birds around. And here's a wild one. Ostriches don't bury their heads in sand. That's a myth. They actually lay their heads flat to stay hidden from predators. Pretty awesome, right? Ostriches are fast, fierce, and full of surprises.